Hartleys Mistake is a canyon in the Wolgan area of the Wollemi National Park, New South Wales. It seems to be infrequently visited, probably because the exit options are not straightforward. However, this makes an ideal short weekend trip camping in a lovely wilderness setting. The most direct approach is up Zobel's Gully from the Wolgan Valley. There are various passes through the cliffline to reach the plateau, and then a couple of passes into Hartley Creek, but abseils may be necessary. Some pleasant walking in the upper reaches of Hartley's Creek leads to the first obstacle, a short abseil. Rope! The first obstacle is a straightforward abseil of about 10 metres, using a tree for an anchor and abseiling down the canyon wall. You're now below the cliff line and the only way out is down. A short walk leads to the highlight of the trip, an abseil over a chockstone into an ominous looking, narrow, dark pool. Looking down the main drop in Hartley's Mistake, it's quite impressive. The anchor for the abseil is a large tree a few metres back from the edge. This is a beautiful section of canyon, and at the right time of day the sunlight rays fill the air. It's a short but bracing swim. Below the abseils, a majestic corridor of high quality canyon cuts deep through the sandstone. Yeah, that should be it.
Really cold. My little guy.
This section is maybe 100 metres long, but lasts far longer in the memory. It is a fine canyon. Hartley's Mistake was named during winter 1977. Ted Hartley was the leader of a Kamaruka bushwalking club trip to the area. He presumed the party could exit Deans Creek up this tributary or the next one further upstream, now named Bigfoot Canyon. However, both creeks contain waterfalls in the lower cliff band, and consequently the party became overdue. Keith Seddon, a member of the party, named the two creeks Hartley's Mistake Canyons in honour of this occasion. The first descent of the canyon was just a few months after Ted Hartley's Mistake. A group of 6 from a selection of bushwalking clubs, the Ramblers, Kamaruka and Sydney Uni, made their descent in October 1977. Whoa. Sorry. The narrow walls open out, but the adventure isn't over. An exit must be forced through the stubborn Deans Creek cliff lines, but also a couple of Hartley's tributaries are quality canyons in their own right. In Alcove Canyon, it's actually very impressive. It was very impressive in Alcove, and we just abseiled over the top of a pothole that might be quite difficult to get out of. Hartley's Mistake is a mistake worth making. It's a great wilderness canyon.